Hi, welcome to Health Science Career Exploration and Business course. We hope all of you have had an awesome summer. My name is Mrs. Holmes Beecham. You may call me Mrs. Beecham. Sixth graders will be learning career explorations. Career explorations is simply learning about various occupations and their fit for your unique career preferences, such as interests and values. Seventh and eighth graders, you will also be learning about career technical education. This means that you will be learning about resume writing, filling out job applications, interviewing, writing business letters, defining your communication, public speaking. We will be doing some business math as well and some career planning. Also, along with that business math, we'll be including a little bit of accounting and earning money skills. Money skills such as balancing a checkbook, a savings account, lots and lots more about money. I hope all of you have a wonderful year, and I certainly look forward to working with you all. And remember, my name is Holmes Beecham, but you may call me Mrs. Beecham. Thank you so much. I look forward to all of you having a great year.